Alright, so today we're going to be making air dry clay. So what you're going to need is 2 cups of baking soda, 1 cup of cornstarch, and then 1 1/4 cup of water. Then once it's all in a pot, you're going to place it on the stove for low to medium heat. And then with adult supervision, you can stir it until you get a material that's like clay. It might take a while, so be patient. It took about 5 minutes to get to this point. So if you're having any worries, don't worry, you will be able to get to this point. So I decided with this air dry clay, maybe I'll try and make some fruit. So the first thing I'm going to make is an orange. So you're going to want to roll it into a ball like this. Then you can apply some paint directly onto the clay. You can also use food coloring. And you see, it comes out to a nice bright orange if you apply paint directly to the clay. So next I'll show you is, okay, with an orange I wanted to make the leaf so it'll look like the oranges from the city of Covina. So you can make a little leaf shape. And after you have the shape like a leaf, you can get a toothpick and I'll show you what to do with that. See, with the toothpick you can make the grooves of the leaf. And then it'll look really good on your orange. Just adding some detail and texture. And see, it dries pretty well with the clay is air dry clay, so it's just going to dry with the air. And then I went ahead and used the glue gun to attach the leaves. You can try different colors, so the next color I'm using here is a red, and I wanted to see if I can make an apple. So I went ahead and used the same technique. I'm just going to mix in the paint and then try and form a ball. Next is I'm using the black paint, and for this I thought, well, if it's an apple it should have a stem. So just go and get a little bit of your air dry clay, add some black paint, and then add a stem to your apple. I'm using a toothpick to poke a hole, and then I'm going to glue it to the apple. And then with different colors you can make different fruits, or you can try making whatever you like with your homemade air dry clay. So remember, it was just baking soda, cornstarch, and water, and I was able to make air dry clay. And now I have my own little fruits.